Today we're looking at determining the rules of an equation, and we're starting with a rectangular hyperbola. And we know this hyperbola has been raised 8, so the equation we start with is y equals a over x plus 8. And we're given the information that it passes through the point minus 2, 6, and we need to find the equation. Now you'll notice that we've been given one unknown, which is the a, and we've got 1 point. You need to have one piece of information to find the unknown. So we'll start off with that point, minus 2, 6, and we'll substitute it into the equation. So we end up with 6 equals a over negative 2 plus 8. Now it's just equation solving here, so we move the 8 to the left. We get negative 2 equals a over negative 2, and therefore a equals 4. So we've found our a, and we can write the equation now. So the equation is y equals 4 over x plus 8. So our next example is another hyperbola, but this time we don't know whether it's been raised up or down. So we actually have the general equation y equals a over x plus k. And because we've got two unknowns, a and k, that means we need 2 points. So I've got the point 2, 7 and the point minus 1, 1. And so that means I'm going to end up with two equations formed, and so I've got simultaneous equations. Starting with the first point, 2, 7, put that into my equation, and I formed equation 1. Here's my next point. Put that into the equation, and I'm just going to simplify that equation, and that's our equation 2. Now with simultaneous equations, we usually add or subtract to remove or eliminate one of the unknowns. So I'm going to do the first one, take away the second one. And so I've got 7 equals a half a plus k, take away the second one. So 7 minus 6 is 1. A half a minus negative a is actually plus a, so I end up with 3 over 2a, and the k's are eliminated. Now I just need to solve this equation, and I'm going to get rid of that divided by 2 by multiplying by 2. So I end up with 6 by 2 equals 3a. So 12 equals 3a, and a equals 4. Now I need to find my second unknown, and that's k. And so I just can substitute into any of the equations that I've formed, and I'm going to choose the second one. So 1 equals negative 4 plus k, so k equals 5. Now that I've got my two unknowns, I can write my equation. So the equation is y equals 4 over x plus 5.